सबको गुड मॉर्निंग, सुप्रभात। तो देखिए, लेट मी गिव यू वन क्वेश्चन before going forward that has been asked on 2nd of September JEE main morning shift. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन ये है, let us see how many of you can solve this. This is related with this EMI, that is why I'm asking this question. All right, area consider A only. ठीक है, area A, magnetic field is into the plane, that is B. ठीक है, there is a simple single circular coil having area A, magnetic field B, and actually the value of area was given directly, the value of B was given directly, and then it was given that it will take 0.5 seconds to complete 1/2 cycle. Find maximum EMF induced. चलो आंसर करो। Come on guys, answer this. कोई बात नहीं अभिषेक, what to do यार। Come on guys, answer this. This was the question asked on 2nd of September JEE main morning shift. जल्दी आंसर करो। Which formula you are going to use, guys? If you remember AC generator, you will understand how to solve this. Maximum EMF is greater than 0 only. What does that mean? Pranav, stop joking around. Give me a final answer. Yes, Chinmay, correct. Chinmay is the first one to give the answer for this. Ganesh has given an answer, but I don't think that is correct. It's 0.5 second, bacha. 0.5 second. 2BA. All right. I think no. 2BA nahi hai. Yes, Pradesh Patil, the formula is correct. What is the maximum induced EMF? What is the formula for induced EMF? So we have already derived this, right? E was equal to NBA omega sin omega t. Do you remember this part? So maximum EMF is what? This one, E naught. I have told you directly based on this. Questions have been asked. Didn't I tell you this? If you go to that recorded video, you'll find out. I have told you based on this particular value, direct questions have been asked, and this question has been asked in this year JEE main. So what is the value of N here? 1. What is the value of B? It was given to you. So B का B value रखेंगे. A was also given. A का value रखा. What about omega? So omega has not been given to you directly, but it has been said that it will take 0.5 second to complete 1/2 cycle. ठीक है? 0.5 second to complete 1/2 cycle. So what is relation between omega and T? We know that omega is equal to 2 pi by capital T. All right. Acha. So for half cycle, it is what? 0.5 second. For half cycle, it is 0.5 seconds. So for full cycle, it will be 0.1. Isn't it? Right? Or otherwise, you can say omega will be equal to pi divided by 0.1. No, sorry, not 0.1, 0.5. ठीक है? Because if 0.5 second is the time taken to complete half cycle, so to complete one cycle, the time taken will be 1 second. So answer would have been 2 pi divided by 1. Or it's nothing but pi divided by 0.5 only. So what is the value of omega? 2 pi. All right, the answer. This is the answer. Very good, Ganesh. अब बता, टफ था, इजी था? Tell me guys whether this question was tough or easy. Extremely easy. Directly formula based question tha, right? बिल्कुल ही आसान. Same type of question has been asked from magnetic effects of current also. The question was direct based on this formula. What is the formula for pitch, guys? Everything was given. Everything was given. BA सब कुछ दिया हुआ था. Tell me what is the formula for pitch of the helical path followed by a charged particle. दिया हुआ था कि charged particle of charge q mass m was projected at an angle of 60 degree with the magnetic field and all. फॉर्मूला क्या है बताओ पिच का? बड़ा है सर? कुछ बड़ा नहीं है. V पैरेलल इनटू T, राइट? तो इधर क्या लिखते हैं? V cos थीटा इनटू T. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर T? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर टाइम पीरियड ऑफ सर्कुलर मोशन? कितना होता है बच्चा लोग? 2 pi m divided by QB. अरे डू यू रिमेंबर दिस? 2 pi m divided by QB. Everything was given to you. V was given to you, theta was given to you, M was given to you, QB, everything was given to you. And you have to find the pitch. That's it. So these were the two questions that have been asked from magnetic effects of current and this one. What do you say? EMI. ठीक है? Alpha किधर है? Alpha B क्यों लिखे हैं सर? Where did it alpha B? बेटा तुझे लगता है कुछ आंखों में प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, कचड़ा गया है, साफ करो उसको. Okay guys, let us come to our formal business. There was one student who told sir, this is my first class. Who was that? I have seen a message but I was busy saying something, so I didn't mention that. Bacha, can you yeah, Kulsum. So did I pronounce correctly? Kulsum. Okay, ठीक है. Welcome बच्चा. But I will say very frankly to you, you came late. So, but still, I am expecting that you must have studied something at least from EMI. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the class. ठीक है? Welcome Tema. Tema or Tema? Tema Priti. Tema Priti Tony. Okay, welcome बच्चा. I hope I'll try to, I hope you'll enjoy the class. If you face any difficulty, let me know. Okay? Come on, guys, answer this. I have included this question in the last notes. Please answer करो इसको. प्रणव, मैं नॉर्मली नहीं कराता हूँ PU2 में, बहुत कम कराता हूँ. जब जरूरत पड़ती है तो. If I feel like you should be doing that, then I do only. Otherwise, it's kind of waste of time only. I don't have to persuade you, right? You're not PU1 guys or PU standard 10th guys. Those Kahoot quizzes are ठीक है, decent. You'll enjoy those classes. You'll enjoy the session. But the time that it takes, in that time, I can like solve so many numericals. I can teach you so many other concepts. ठीक है? And Kahoot quizzes that has to be created by the content team, they have been created, but I don't find that relevant. Not all of them. Yes, come on guys, answer this. This is a question from LR circuit. We have already completed LR circuit, right? The growth of current, the decay of current. What was the formula for growth of current, bachcha log? I was equal to I naught into 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau, right? And for decay of current, I was equal to I naught into e to the power minus t by tau, where tau is nothing but, tau is not your tau is time constant, is nothing but L by R. See, Kulsum is saying this is from NCERT textbook. See, still this has been counted as a very good question. Not very tough, but very good question. Come on guys, tell me the answer. Thank you Kulsum for notifying this. Thank you so much. लस्सी जैसा अच्छा होगा. प्रणव, तू खाली यही सब बातें करता है. First of all, solve this. Guys, what will be your approach? Like, it's not very tough. बहुत ही simple है, बहुत ही simple है, extremely simple. Yes, Athar, PUBG officially ban hua. If you want to weep for that officially, you're most welcome. You can switch on your video, and then you can cry out loud in front of everybody. What do you want me to say? PUBG officially ban hua. म्यूटोरेंट पे मिलेगा? म्यूटोरेंट पे मिलेगा क्या? मिलेगा म्यूटोरेंट पे? अरे गेम कैसे खेलेगा यार? सर्वर ही बंद हो जाएगा ना. डू यू नो हाउ अ गेम, हाउ एन एप्लीकेशन विल बी बैंड, हाउ एन एप्लीकेशन विल बी स्टॉप्ड रनिंग इन इंडिया? फर्स्ट क्या होगा? फर्स्ट दिस म्यूटोरेंट विल बी गिवन नोटिफिकेशन. सो नॉट म्यूटोरेंट, दिस पबजी विल बी गिवन नोटिफिकेशन. ठीक है. एंड देन टू स्टॉप इट वर्किंग क्या होगा कि देन दीज सर्वर्स, द इंटरनेट सर्वर्स जो भी होता है ना, उनको बताया जाएगा, दे विल बी गिवन दिस नोटिफिकेशन that there should not be any internet, there should not be any connection that should be given to the PUBG server. तो पूरा सर्वर को ही ब्लॉक कर देंगे. नहीं, बहुत मुश्किल है, नहीं कर पाओगे. या you can play PUBG on PC. You can play PUBG on PC because PUBG Mobile has been banned, PUBG Lite has been banned, PUBG PC अभी भी काम करेगा. Yeah, people are still using it because it will take minimum 48 hours to do everything. मोबाइल पे नहीं खेल पाओगे वीपीएन डाल के बच्चा. वो उनको पता है, लाइक यू आर नॉट न्यू टू दिस, राइट? वीपीएन इज नॉट न्यू टू दिस वर्ल्ड, राइट? वीपीएन इज फ्रॉम लाइक बहुत दिन से लोगों को पता है. दिस गाइज यूज वीपीएन टू लाइक हाइड योर आईपी एड्रेस. वो कनेक्शन सर्वर में ही नहीं जाएगा, तो वीपीएन में क्या उठा लेगा? एनीवे, लेट अस टॉक अबाउट एलआर सर्किट. आई वाज लाइक वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. आई वाज वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. As you can see, the kind of happiness that I was having on my face right now also. I was extremely happy. But I was then I thought of, no, these guys will play Free Fire, these guys will play Call of Duty, these guys will play what is that? Something is there. There is one more game that was very popular, but it is very heavy game. Then I thought of, why to be happy? Kuch nahi. Those who will be self-motivated, they will only do something good. Otherwise, everyone. Those who will find something to, some kind of excuse to pass their time. Yeah, Fortnite. Yeah, I know that. So they will somehow find a way. इधर नहीं तो उधर करेंगे ही करेंगे. काउंटर स्ट्राइक इज लाइक बुड्ढों का गेम. हम लोगों ने खेला है कॉलेज के टाइम पे, एंड दैट टाइम ओनली इट वाज कॉल्ड एज वेरी ओल्ड गेम. काउंटर स्ट्राइक इज नॉट दैट engaging and all ना. दैट इज सिंपल छोटा सा गेम होता है. पहले सॉल्व करते हैं. प्रशांत सिंह सर, हम दुखी थे, हमसे ज्यादा दुखी चीना था. चाइना था. ओके, ठीक है. देखो बच्चा लोग, लेट अस सॉल्व दिस. इफ यू कैन रिकॉल द LR circuit analysis, then if I ask you to write the loop law here, just write the loop law here. बच्चा लोग, just write the loop law here. What will be the equation if I use the loop law? If I start from here and move along this, so what will the answer? E, if I write the rise as positive, so E minus IR, ठीक है, then plus LDI by dt will be equal to 0. ठीक है, we can write this. All right, so then we can write LDI by dt is equal to, क्या लिख सकते हैं बच्चा लोग? माइनस E minus IR. ठीक है, माइनस प्लस देख लेना एक बार. ठीक है, देन वी कैन राइट DI डिवाइडेड बाई E minus IR is equal to, ठीक है, I have brought this E minus R in the denominator, and then we can write this as dt divided by L with a minus sign. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. I naught R तो maximum है ना बच्चा प्रतीश? I naught is तो maximum. At t is equal to 0, current is I naught. I'm talking about any instant, any instant. So current will be I. So this is how we'll write. Achha, now if I want to get the value of current, so there is only one difference. If this data would not have been given to you, okay, if at t is equal to 0, this would have been closed and current is like normally 0, nothing has been extra given to you. Then this would have been a question of growth of current. But what will happen here? Here, when you put the limit at t is equal to 0, what is the current here in the circuit? Bolo bachcha log. We have already gone for this, right? What will be the current at t is equal to 0? Tell me, guys. Yeah, it will be minus because drop हो रहा है ना, it will be minus. Correct. It will be minus. So what will be the current at t is equal to 0? I naught. What will be the current at time t? So it will be some current I. Now integrate karo. So there is only one change, and that change is at t is equal to 0. Current is not 0 but I naught. If you remember that growth of current, see देखो दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको. We have studied LR circuit here. And yeah, growth of current, where are you? Yeah. See, the same thing we have done here also, right? There's a battery, resistance, inductance, and then everything has been used as the same. At t is equal to 0, the current is 0. So this is what that has been changed. At t is equal to 0, current is I naught. ठीक है, तो इसी को हमने put किया इधर. At t is equal to 0, current is I naught. At some time t, let us say current is I. ठीक है, I naught is not equal to I. चलिए, now integrate करेंगे इसको. So what is the integration of this? So ln e minus IR divided by minus, क्या होगा बच्चा? लिमिट पुट करो, from I naught to I is equal to t divided by L. So now it will come as ln e minus IR divided by e minus I naught R will be equal to minus t by tau, because this R will be multiplied here. So it can be written as t into R divided by L, or it can be written as t divided by L by R. And L by R is the time constant, so I can write like this. So at the end, you can write E minus IR divided by E minus I naught R will be written as e to the power minus t by tau. From this part, find the value of e. Find the value of I. That is the answer. Guys, please click yes if you have understood this. It was not that tough. The only thing was, do you remember, do you understand the approach or not? The LR circuit. That is what we have to understand here. Because there was only one change. At t is equal to 0, just consider I naught and do everything as we have done same. As we had done in the growth of current condition. ठीक है? चलो चलो. Let us solve this बड़ा सा question. You might think that this is very lengthy question, but this is very easy question. Extremely easy, extremely conceptual. No Pranav, it's not turmeric milk, it's masala tea. जल्दी से आंसर करो चलो. Not ठंडा tea, garam tea. Why are you worried about these things a lot, Pranav? I seriously think about this. Please first solve the questions, then you can ask these questions. If you get the answer, na, then concentrate on these things. पहले क्वेश्चन पे वो करो, दिमाग लगाओ. I think Vishrut has already given the answer for last one. I think उसने आंसर किया था last time. Very good, Vishrut. No, I'll not be bored, Pranav. I'll not be bored. Don't worry about me. I have very good habit of not feeling bored and all. Guys, come on, solve this. Those who know me, they know that I don't get bored at all. Even if I'll be alone, if I'll not be doing anything, I don't get bored. Never ever. I never feel that. Only thing when I get bored is when someone is blabbering something, I don't want to hear it. So please answer this. Cell का potential क्यों इतना छोटा लिखे हैं? Because it was my question and I wanted it to be छोटा. मैंने मेरी मर्जी. It's E1, E2, it's E, R1, E, R2. Internal resistance is R1, R2, and the EMF of the cell is E and E. Both of them having same E. Find the value of R such that potential difference across terminals of cell A is 0 a long time after the key is closed. Pranav is saying 0. I don't think so. मतलब resistance 0 है. प्रणव तू पागल हो गया है, पक्का तू कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम हुआ है तुझे, रेजिस्टेंस इज 0. What does this mean? Then Pranav, I think you don't know the meaning of potential difference across terminals of cell. Atharv, I don't get bored because I always think about मुझे आगे क्या करना है. ठीक है, so in that way I never get bored. I'll think about something. So चलता है वैसे. हाँ बच्चा, ठीक है प्रणव, तू पहले पानी पी, ठीक है. फर्स्ट यू ड्रिंक वाटर. तेरा दिमाग गर्म हो गया है. डू यू नो व्हाट हैपेंस टू एन इंजन व्हेन इट गेट्स हॉट? इट एक्ट्स वियर्ड, राइट? तो पहले तो अपना पानी पी, तेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया अभी. You're not giving me a correct answer. You're just talking me about something else. You're just talking rubbish. I gave you a hint also that I never ever get bored unless someone is blabbering something and I don't want to hear it. So Pranav, I think you should be smart enough to understand that. I'm not that kind of teacher who wants chit chat during the class. Yeah, chota mota ek do. I always say that I am the joker of the class if I want to. I don't want any other joker to assist me. Okay? So don't be a Kapil Sharma. Don't try to be that. Concentrate enough in the class. And बाद में मिलेंगे तो chit chat करेंगे रे. Not in the class. In the class छोटा मोटा होगा. And it will be initiated from my side. It should not be from your side. You should be more interested in the solutions. You should be more interested in the concept clarity. चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी आंसर करो. Pranav, I'll block you, I'm telling you. Ganesh has answered 3r/4 plus r2. Okay, so एक आंसर आया है. Ganesh has answered. I don't know whether that is correct or not, but at least some sensible answer has come. Very good, Ganesh. Ganesh Panduranga. Acha, Panduranga. Okay, all right. You are getting approximately, Pratish. Acha, what will be your approach? क्या करोगे? लंबा method आपको लगेगा sir, this is very large circuit and all. Prajwal has also got the same answer. So simple सी बात है. After a long time, the switch is closed or key is closed. Where is that key? Key के इधर है. How this capacitor and inductor will act? First of all, tell me this. After a long time, the key is closed. Tell me how this inductor and capacitor will act. So this inductor will act as a conducting wire and this capacitor will act as an open segment. Isn't it? So if I copy this diagram and if I try to draw the effective equivalent circuit, after a long time the key is closed, then this circuit must look like this. So this must be removed. This must be removed. It will not have any electrical significance and this will act as a simple conducting wire. Now this is a simple electrical circuit. Now this becomes a simple current electricity question. Now there are 6 resistors. Can I say these two are in parallel and the equivalent of these two is in series with this one. So this is R/2. Okay? What is the R equivalent for this? R/2. And the equivalent resistance of these two is 3R/2. All right. And the similar kind of arrangement is there. They are connected parallel to it. So what is R equivalent here? So now you can deduce, you can again redraw the diagram as draw the batteries, chotu resistance, one more battery, one more chotu resistance, and then draw R equivalent as 3R/4. 3R/4. Now the circuit will look simply like this. This will be 3R/4. This is R2. This is E. This is R1. This is E. All right, guys. So this is the condition that we are going to get. Now the question is, find out the value of R so that potential difference across cell A is 0. Okay, which is cell A? Cell A is this one. So potential difference across the terminal of a cell. Tell me what is the formula for potential difference across this terminal of the cell. So the formula for that will be what? E minus IR. This is the formula, E minus IR. But since we are talking about potential difference across the terminal of cell A, so I have to write 1 because the internal resistance of cell A is R1. So E minus R1 must be 0. Now what is the value of I? If I get the value of I, and I know that in terms of capital R and E and R2 and all. So what is the value of I? Let us find what is the value of I. I will be equal to 2E divided by R1 plus R2 plus 3R by 4. Guys, do you have any problem with this relation? What is the net EMF of this circuit? E plus E, 2E connected in series. What is the R equivalent of this circuit? 3R by 4 plus R1 plus R2. So net EMF divided by net resistance, or equivalent EMF divided by equivalent resistance. So this is the value of I. Now put the value of I here. So E minus 2E divided by R1 plus R2 plus 3R by 4 into R1 is equal to 0. Okay? E and E will get cancelled. Pakka. Very good, Pranav. Very good. Keep it up. Now multiply this. Take the LCM. So I'll get what? I'll get R1 plus R2 plus 3R by 4 minus 2R1 is equal to 0. Guys, are you following me? Do you have any doubt here? Yeah, 2 hai na? So 2R1, right? LCM liya idhar. I have taken the LCM and then I have multiplied with 0. I have brought this to the right hand side. It will become 0. So I'll be getting what? R1 plus R2 plus 3R by 4 here minus 2 into R1, because E has already gone here. So 0 by E is what? 0. Okay, chalo. Now what is the answer? Now what is the final answer? So this R1 minus 2R1 is minus R1. Okay. So correct answer would be 3R by 4 would be equal to R1 minus R2. So capital R will be equal to 4 R1 minus R2 divided by 3. This is what we have been asked. What is the value of capital R? So बताओ क्या answer है? 4 R1 minus R2 divided by 3 is the correct answer of capital R. Now guys, please click yes if you have understood this. Guys, if this question will be asked to you in any of the JEE or NEET examination, in which chapter will you put this question in? कौन से chapter में इसको include करोगे? Will you consider this as an EMI or will you consider this as current electricity? Atharv, E will be cancelled. Pakka. Okay, Ganesh. It's okay. Can I say here we have to use the concept of inductor, concept of capacitor, concept of current electricity. सब पूरा तो electromagnetism में आएगा ये पूरा. ठीक है? So you cannot tag any single chapter here. You can say that this question has been asked from electromagnetism. All right? Because there is a concept from capacitance also. There is a concept from inductor also. There is a concept from current electricity also. So this question is from a majority. Yeah, you can say that, but still, without finding that after long time closing the switch or the key, inductor will act as a conducting wire and capacitor will be an open segment. You can't go ahead. ठीक है? चलिए, तो let us go forward then. Let us move forward. अगला सवाल करते हैं. Energy stored in an inductor. So what will be the how much energy that will be stored in the inductor? Why do we say that? ठीक है, मैं mathematically बताता हूँ आपको. But if I ask you to write, the value of this potential difference in an LR circuit. Take a normal LR circuit we are going to use. So let's say this is an inductor and this is a resistor and this is the battery that has been used. So this is E, this is L, and this is I. All right. If I ask you to use loop law again, so your answer will be, sir, we'll write E minus IR minus L di by dt will be equal to 0. You'll write this, correct hai? Then you'll write, you can say E will be equal to IR plus L di by dt. If I ask you to multiply I on the both sides, on both the sides, ठीक है? If I ask you to multiply I on both the sides, बोलो बच्चों क्या होगा? What will happen? So it will become E into I. This will be equal to I square into capital R plus L into di by dt. तो Li into di by dt. So this is how we can write this. Correct है? अच्छा. Tell me guys, what is E into I? What is E into I? बोलो बच्चा लोग, what is E into I? हाँ प्रणव, मैंने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है यार. इसको बाहर ले सकते और कैंसिल होगा. नहीं, कैंसिल नहीं करना मेरे को. टेल मी व्हाट इज E into I? मोहित इज सेइंग पावर. पावर बाय व्हाट? नॉट ओनली पावर. पावर किसका? अच्छा, let me give you a short revision about this power now. When you write, consider if you are having a battery. बहुत ही छोटा रिवीजन कर रहा हूं बच्चा. I hope you will love this. So consider this is small r, this is capital R, and this is E. In normal resistive circuit, where a cell is there, where internal resistance is there, and where an external resistance have been connected. If I ask you what is E into I, then what is the meaning of this? And if I ask you what is I square into smaller, then what is the meaning of this? If I ask you what is I square into capital R, then what is the meaning of this? ठीक है? Tell me what are the meanings of these three terms. जल्दी से फटाफट बताओ. सबका पावर क्या है? Like give the details ना. Power delivered to the resistor, power given by like the battery, chemical energy. क्या है? What is E into I? Tell me guys, what is E into I? What is E into I? Power given by resistor. Okay, so Atharv has given something. Pratish is saying power from battery or power consumed by resistance. Illa. Power delivered by battery. Okay, power given by battery. No, total power of this circuit. Power of the battery to produce current. No, Vishrut. By both capital R and small r. Gokul, only one answer. Two answers are okay, ठीक है. No, Pratish, गलत है. Power lost by battery. Let me tell this to you. देखो, E into I क्या है? What is E बच्चा लोग? E is the EMF. And this potential difference or this EMF is maintained by what? External agency. Do you remember the definition of E? What is E? Work done per unit charge to bring a positive charge from negative to positive, right? ऐसा ही होता है ना. So this is what? This is nothing but the maintained by external agency. Some kind of agency is there, some kind of mechanism is there which will maintain this E as constant. All right. So this E into I, in terms of if you are taking electrochemical cell, then you can say that this is the rate of energy converted into, ध्यान से लिखना, converted into electrical energy from chemical energy. This E into I is what बच्चा लोग? Rate of energy converted into electrical energy from chemical energy. उल्टा कर लो यार, from पहले लिख लो, doesn't look right. From chemical to electrical, ठीक है? All right guys, so this is the value of E into I. So this is the input, this is the rate of energy input given by the mechanism of the battery. ये input है. Acha, then what is this I square into R? We know that there will be some heat dissipation that will occur in the battery, because battery will also have some kind of internal resistance. So what is I square into R? I square into R is the rate of heat dissipation, or rate of energy lost as a heat inside the battery. So battery has given an energy of E into I in 1 second. Out of E into I in 1 second, I square into small r has been lost as a heat dissipation, as a heat. So what will be the rest? Rest is what? I square into capital R. So what is this? This is the rate of energy or the power. Rate of energy is power. Rate of energy consumed or provided or given to the resistor. So, or you can say consumed by the resistor R. Or you can say that rate of heat dissipation also, because that energy consumption will occur as a heat only in the external resistance. So rate of heat dissipation in resistance R. Do you want verification for this? बच्चा लोग मैथमेटिकली पता सबको चाहिए क्या होता क्या है? अच्छा, why is it is wrong to say power from battery? तो बैटरी में इंटरनल रेसिस्टेंस भी तो है ना प्रतीश? बताऊंगा what is the power coming from the battery. Don't worry. If you write the loop law here, what will be the loop law here? बच्चा लोग बताओ चलो, इसमें क्या होता? What will you write? You will write this as E minus IR is equal to I into capital R. This is what we'll write. And if I multiply I here, then you'll write this as EI minus I square R is equal to I square capital R. Now, can you have a sense here? What is I square capital R? Heat delivered to the resistance or heat dissipation in the resistance. So I'll say this is the given ये क्या है बच्चा लोग? This is the energy input, power input in the battery. This is the loss. ये क्या है बच्चा लोग? This is the power loss in the battery. So if E into I has been given to the battery, out of that, this has been lost as heat inside the battery only. So what is the left out? Left out is nothing but EI minus I square R. And that left out energy will be provided to the resistance. So this part is nothing but power delivered to the resistor. Okay? And how does resistor consume this? By dissipating it as a heat. Guys, got my point? So Pratish, if you ask me, sir, why is it wrong to say power from battery for first? Then I'll say this is not the power which is coming from the battery. Battery is comprising of the cell and the internal resistance. So what is the power that is coming from the battery? The power coming from the battery is EI minus I square R. Guys, did you understand this? Click yes if you have understood this. But chalo, click yes if you have understood this. Clear है सबको? ठीक है? अगर किसी को doubt है, let me know. One of you have clicked no. Tell me what is the doubt, बच्चा. We have already studied this in current electricity, but still, if you have any doubt, let me know. क्या problem है इसमें? Let us consider this. Let us take an example. Because of the mechanical or because of the internal mechanism of the battery, let's say in 1 second, 100 joule has been given. 100 joule of energy has been converted from chemical to electrical energy. Now, when this conversion will occur, what will happen? Because of the internal resistance, let us say some 10 joule of heat has been lost in 1 second. I'm talking about in 1 second. So that will come as a power. So 10 joule per second is what? 100 joule per second is 100 watt. 10 joule per second is 10 watt. So 100 joule has been converted from chemical energy to electrical energy, and then 10 joule of heat has been lost as a heat inside the battery. ठीक है? So what is the rest out? बचा कितना? 90 joule. So can I say this 90 joule will only be given to the resistor, and this 90 joule will only be lost as a heat dissipation in the resistor. ठीक है, समझ में आया? So out of 100 inside the battery or the chemical energy that is available for resistor is 100, but inside the battery there is a mouse. ठीक है, एक चूहा है जो कि वो 10 जूल खा जाता है, और there is a kind of taxation that is there. वो 10 जूल का टैक्स लग गया, 10% TDS लगा यहाँ पे. So this is the TDS that this has to give. This has like this system has to give. GST is 18%, right? ठीक है, नॉर्मल TDS is 10%. इफ यू आर नॉट इन दैट बार तो नॉर्मल TDS 10% लगता है. अदरवाइज अभी तो बहुत है यार, टैक्स भी इतना चला जाता है जितना लोगों की सैलरी नहीं होती है. सो 100 जूल माइनस 10 जूल, ऐसा कुछ इस तरीके का कंडीशन आया. सो गाइज, नाउ डू यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम इन दिस वन? गाइज, आई थॉट ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस अगेन. रीजन क्या था उसका कि दीज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हैव बीन आस्क्ड इन ऑब्जेक्टिव. ठीक है, थ्योरेटिकल वन. अच्छा, व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन चार्जिंग विल अकर? दिस इज फॉर डिस्चार्जिंग, राइट? दिस इज फॉर डिस्चार्जिंग. ठीक है, चलो डिस्चार्जिंग सर्किट की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. What if बैटरी इज गेटिंग चार्ज्ड? तो क्या होगा उस केस में? क्या होता है देखो, सिंपल है, बहुत ही सिंपल है. सो फॉर चार्जिंग बैटरी, what will be the potential difference across the terminal of the battery, guys? So you'll write E plus I small r will be equal to I capital R. This is the equation that you'll write, isn't it, guys? यही लिखोगे ना? Multiply I here, so you'll get I EI plus I square R will be equal to I square capital R. Guys, सबको समझ में आया? Here energy is given to the battery. Here energy is given to the battery because battery is getting charged. ठीक है बच्चा लोग, ये डिस्चार्जिंग का नहीं है, ये चार्जिंग का है. तुम्हारे, मैं प्रणव, आई एम टेलिंग यू, गो एंड हैव सम वाटर. तुम्हारी आंखों के सामने कुछ तो आ गया है, सो यू डोंट bifurcate, you are not able to bifurcate whether this is plus or minus. So EI plus I square into small r will be equal to I square into capital R. Tell me guys, what will be, how will you write this E into I, and what will you write as I square into small r, and what will you write as I square into capital R? क्या लिखोगे बोलो? Come on guys, give me the answer. Come on guys, give me the answer. In this one I'll write, this is the energy. ठीक है, this is the energy that has been given to this particular battery. Out of that EI, only EI amount, ये क्या है बच्चा लोग? Only EI amount, this is the power delivered to the cell, or you can say that rate of energy converted into chemical energy, rate of energy converted into chemical energy from electrical energy. ठीक है, और you can say rate at which, or rate of conversion of, you can say that, नहीं तो उसी को लिख दो, no issues. Rate of energy converted into chemical energy from electrical energy. And when you are going to charge this, total energy that has been given to you is this one, but out of this I square small r will be a kind of tax, or will be a kind of TDS. ठीक है, and this will be written as, this is the heat dissipation. ये क्या है बच्चा लोग? This is the heat dissipation inside the battery. And you must have observed this also. While charging, battery gets heated. If you're charging a battery, what happens to the battery? Battery will become hot. तो कहाँ गया? That is energy only, right? So that energy is being lost in the environment, in the surrounding. So that is a loss, right? So that loss is nothing but this one. So this is the rate of energy loss inside the battery. Energy loss inside the battery. ठीक है बच्चा लोग. So again simple सी conditions लेता हूं मैं. If you have been given 100 joule, if you have been given 100 joule, ठीक है. So out of 100 joule, 10 joule will be the tax. After deducting the tax of 10 joule in the internal resistance, what will happen? 90 joule will only be available for converting this 100 joule or for converting this energy into chemical one. Guys, did you understand the charging circuit here? So this is how a battery works when you're charging it or when you're discharging it in terms of energy interaction. So whenever somebody asks you what is E into I, what is E into I, and if there is internal resistance, what is E into I? E into I is the power delivery. कहाँ पे? Cell में. That energy conservation from chemical to electrical, electrical to chemical. All right. अच्छा, if somebody asks you what will be the answer for potential difference across the, let's say if I say potential difference across the terminal is V. If I denote potential difference across the terminal is V, and if I ask you what is V into I, then what will be the answer for V into I? बोलो चलो. In this case, if I write, if V is equal to E into I, it's not E into I. If I write V is equal to E minus IR, and then V into I is equal to what? Then what will be the answer? As we know now, we consider potential difference across the terminals of a battery is E minus IR. So I'm considering that as V. So what will be the answer for V into I? Now this is the power given by the battery. पूरा battery कितना power दे रहा है? After deducting the tax and all, after deducting the power loss and all. Yeah, this is the power delivered to the resistor. You can say that this is the power delivered to the resistor. So you can write this as this is the power output, like this is the output power from the battery. Okay? Or you can say power delivered to the resistor. So guys, these are very small things, but these are very, very important for your basic concept clarity. All right, guys. Yeah, you can say this is the heat that will be dissipated as the from the resistor also, because this is the power that is going to the resistor. So the same amount will be dissipated, and then again electrons will come to the battery, get the same power, and then give back to the resistor. Resistor will lose it. Again, the charged particles will come to the battery, get the same amount of energy, then again give it back to resistor. Resistor will lose it. Again, the charged particle will come to the battery, get the same kind of energy, give it to the resistor. Resistor will lose it. So this is how the cycle will go on. Okay? And there'll be a time when the battery will not be able to give that kind of energy, and then we say that battery is discharged. So I hope you have understood this, guys. Now let us understand this part, which is related to LR circuit. Now tell me, guys, what is EI here, what is I square capital R here, and what is LI into DI? In this question, we have not considered any internal resistance. In this question, we have not considered any internal resistance. So what will be the answer, guys? I can directly say that EI is the power. What is E into I? Chalo bolo. Since here internal resistance has not been considered, so what will be E into I? E will be the potential difference across the terminal of the battery only. So I'll say this is the power delivered by the battery. Power delivered by the battery. All right. Now what is I square into capital R? Tell me, guys, what will be I square into capital R? Everybody knows that. We have already studied this. This is the power dissipated, right? Power dissipated or heat dissipated from resistor. Now tell me, guys, what should be this Li di by dt? What should be Li di by dt? It must be having power dimension. It must be having dimension of power only. So this term must be the power only, but this is related with the inductor. Now we have to figure out whether there will be a kind of power dissipation in the resistor in inductor or not. So we understand, we observe that there will not be any dissipation of heat from an inductor. There will not be any heat dissipation from an inductor. So we say where the energy has gone. We are getting the total energy given to the circuit is what? E into I. Out of E into I square R has been dissipated as heat from the resistor. So what about the rest amount? So where this rest amount goes? If it is not being dissipated, so it will be stored. Simple. If it is not being dissipated, so it will be stored. So this is the power stored in the inductor. This is the power stored in the inductor. Guys, click yes if you have understood this energy stored in inductor. We और है, but click yes if you have understood till this point. बताऊंगा प्रणव, don't worry रे. Don't be a cheetah, ठीक है? Try to be a human being. अरे एक there is a one no, now he is gone. कोई doubt है यहाँ तक बच्चा लोग? So just imagine a condition. You have given again 100 joule of energy. Out of 100 joule of energy, some 20 joule of energy has been dissipated from the resistor. So where this 80 joule has gone? So we have observed that there will not be any heat loss from the inductor. So where that will go? So if it is not going out, it will stay here only. And how does it say, how can we say for sure that it will be here only? Because if you are going to disconnect this battery from here, still after disconnecting this for some amount of time, there will be current that will flow in LR circuit that we have already studied as a decay of current, right? So when we disconnect this battery from here, still it allows some current to flow through this particular resistance or through the circuit. From where? Because if there is a current, there is an energy involved to it, right? So after disconnecting the battery, there will be current that will flow through the resistor. So still there will be I square R power dissipation that will come as a heat, right? So from where this extra energy has come. When I disconnect this E, there should be zero current, there should be zero dissipation from the resistance. But we observe this, that if you are going to disconnect the battery, what will happen? For some time, there will be some current that will flow through the circuit. And if there is a current that is flowing through it, that means there is an energy involved. So from where that energy has come? So we say, all right, there was no any heat dissipation from the inductor. But if I disconnect the battery, still current is going on. That means that when you are supplying current to it, when you are supplying voltage to it, the energy will be stored in the inductor. And when you are disconnecting it, it will just give you the stored energy in the form of current. Guys, did you understand this analysis? Why do we say there will be power stored in the inductor? Guys, please click yes if you have understood this analysis for power stored in inductor. How can we say there will be storage of power in the inductor? Yeah, all thoda, not pura, but yes, I can say that, Pratish. Chaliye, now let us move on to the part where we have to find out the energy. ठीक है? अतर करते हैं, don't worry, where we have to find the energy. Now we can say that power is equal to, what is the definition for power, bachcha log? The basic definition, we can say that power is nothing but dE by dt, rate of energy transfer, right? Rate of energy transfer, so dE by dt. So can I say that dE will be equal to P into dt? So if I write dE, छोटा सा energy, instantaneous energy, तो क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? तो P will be Li di by dt into dt. So cancel हुआ. So we are getting dE is equal to Li di by only L into I into di. This is the value for small energy, right? ऐसा कुछ. What if I change the current from 0 to I? So then I'll get this E will be equal to integral L di or Li into di. Li into di. If I increase the current from 0 to I, if I increase the current from 0 to I, okay? So what will be the answer? I'll get half into L into I square. So if current in an inductor, ध्यान से सुनना, if current in an inductor increases from 0 to I, then what is the energy stored in the inductor? Then energy stored in the inductor will be given as half into L into I square. All right, guys. So this is the formula for energy stored in an inductor if current increases from 0 to I. All right, guys. Clear है सबको? बच्चों लोग click yes if you have understood this slide. Guys, click yes if you have understood this slide. Pranav, I normally don't care how many times you're writing the same thing again and again. I read the comment once, I will explain it once I'll get the time. So don't cut copy paste for 5 times, or otherwise I'll simply ignore that. Believe me, I'll do that. Okay? So got it? All right. Okay. Pranav is asking, heat is dissipated when charging battery, but why is no heat dissipated when charging of inductor? Battery में क्या होता है? Resistance होता है. Do we have resistance in perfect inductor? No. So there will not be any heat dissipation. If you're talking about an ideal inductor, will there be any resistance? No. If there is no any resistance, there will not be any dissipation. So whatever the energy that will be stored in this inductor, that will be complete pura energy. Okay? There will not be any loss to it. Achha. One more thing, guys. One of you have asked me, sir, in which form the energy will be stored? Guys, do you want to answer this? In which form the energy will be stored? Bolo bachcha log. In which form the energy will be stored? Potential? No. See, you provide electrical energy. While providing current, you provide electrical energy. And inside if there is a current inside an inductor, what happened to what is there inside the inductor? Magnetic field. So electrical energy will be converted into magnetic energy. Electrical energy will be converted into magnetic energy. And when you disconnect the battery, the same magnetic energy will again be converted into electrical energy. Okay? So you have provided electrical energy inside the inductor, that will be converted into magnetic energy. All right? And when you disconnect it, the same magnetic energy will be converted into electrical energy again. Flux decrease increase तो बाद में बात करेंगे ना बच्चा, करंट बढ़ रहा है घट रहा है. All right, guys. So this is what we have to talk about, the energy interaction inside the inductor. So if that simple question has been asked to you, that from 0 the current has increased from 0 to I, then what is the energy stored? Half into Li square. Sometimes they'll ask you, what is the energy stored if current inside the inductor is changing from I to 2I, or some value I naught to I. And there, instead of writing 0 here, you have to use the initial current. ठीक है? तो वो दोनों चीज आपको यूज करना पड़ेगा. No, I will not say that flux decrease होगा ऐसा कुछ. उसको दूसरे तरीके से बात कर सकते हो बच्चा. ठीक है? Induction of EMF is like back EMF की बात करते हैं ना वहां पे. Yeah, that is छोटा सा energy बच्चा, half into. क्या पूछ रहे हो प्रणव? Half Li di by dt. No, that is not the correct answer. If this is given to you, that if current in an inductor increases from, let's say, I naught to I, then the energy will be half into L into I square minus I naught square. Because here limit will be I naught to I. ठीक है? I naught to I. Not inverter actually, बच्चा. Inverter is थोड़ा different thing. Inverter is not an inductor. Inverter is a bit different thing. थोड़ा सा difference होता है उसमें. ठीक है? सबसे पहले तो inverter inside an inverter you have a DC battery. You convert that AC into DC first. पहले तो you convert AC into DC first. Then you store this part. After storing this energy, you again convert DC into AC. So inverter is altogether different story. Okay, you'll study this inverter and all in electrical engineering. All right, guys, let us move on to next part. So guys, please remember this slide. This is important. Okay, so this is energy transaction energy transaction. In resistive circuit. So these are basic things. इसको याद रखिएगा, ठीक है? Let us move on to next part, that is LC oscillation. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? सिद्धार्थ करेंगे बात वो सब बच्चा. तो बाद में कुछ पूछा करना मेरे से, क्लास के टाइम पे क्यों पूछता है सारी चीजें. LC oscillation. देखो LC oscillation क्या है? Guys, I'm not teaching you inverter, ठीक है? I'm not teaching you inverter. I told you कि inverter का कहानी पूरा अलग है, ठीक है? So I have told you कि what is going on, what is going to happen in inverter. There are so many elements that are there in inverter. I can't teach you the exact how the inverter works and all. That is not in your syllabus. If you want to know about inverter and all, you can talk to me personally. I'll try to clarify that. चलिए, LC oscillation क्या होता है? Now this is not very important, but there has been instance where some theoretical questions have been asked from this particular topic. ठीक है, होता क्या है, कैसे होता है, बात करेंगे हम लोग. As the name suggests, LC का मतलब क्या है? There will be one inductor, there will be one capacitor. So let us consider one inductor here, and then let me consider capacitor ऊपर में. So this is the capacitor, and across the capacitor an inductor has been connected. ऐसा कुछ condition है, ठीक है? So this is C, this is L. Acha, what will happen here? Nothing will happen if initially nothing was there. If this capacitor is discharged, if nothing is there, what will happen? But chalo, kuch nahi hoga. Simple, they'll still they'll set idle. Nothing is going to happen. But if, consider if this capacitor was charged, so at t is equal to 0, this capacitor was having charge of Q and minus Q on each of the plate. So there was a charged capacitor, okay? And now we have connected an inductor across it. Tell me what will happen, guys. Just tell me what do you think what will happen? क्या होगा आगे तो मैं mathematically बताऊंगा आपको. Tell me what will happen inside the circuit. Initially the capacitor was charged. तो क्या हुआ गया? A charged capacitor has been connected across an inductor at t is equal to 0. Tell me guys what will happen. क्या होगा? Flux inside the inductor will increase. पूरा बताओ. Charge moves from C to L and back. All right. Discharging. Okay. और कुछ? As the name suggests, I think you can take some hint from the name. LC oscillation. Why did we use this oscillation term? होगा ये, the value of charge here. The value of charge here will oscillate. The value of charge will oscillate, or the current inside the circuit will oscillate. अभी Q है. After some time it will become 0. After some time it will become minus Q. After some time it will become again 0. After some time it will again become plus Q. And again similar fashion, the similar way the value of Q will change. Okay? So what will happen? The Q will change periodically. The value of charge on the capacitance will change periodically. Similarly, the current inside this will change periodically. Sir, how do you say for sure, sir? तो करके देखते हैं, ठीक है? Let us write the equation. Tell me, how should you write the equation? How should you compare C, L and all those things at any time t? ठीक है? Consider at any time t, current flowing through this is Q. Sorry, I. Current flowing through this is I. बोलो चलो. Yes, Pranav, we'll do that. Don't worry. Conservation of charge. Arey, apply loop law na. Tell me. After applying loop law, tell me what should be the relation that we should be using. क्या लिखना चाहिए बच्चा लोग? Not capital Q, Pratish. Capital Q is the charge at time t is equal to 0. I am talking about at any time t. ठीक है? At any time t. क्या लिखेंगे? Q by C will be equal to L di by dt. Isn't it? Q by C will be equal to L di by dt. All right. If I ask you to convert this in terms of I, how will you write Q as I? कैसे लिखोगे बच्चा? तो मैं क्या करता हूं? Differentiate this on both the sides. तो dq by dt into 1 by C will be equal to L di square by dt. Can I write like this? Tell me guys, can I write like this? Yes or no? Very good, Athar. Differentiation on both the sides. I have differentiated it. I into T is not charge, Chetana. I into T is the average charge. I'm not talking about the average charge. Chetana, please don't commit such mistakes. They are for standard 10th guys to understand that I into T is Q. You are in standard 12th. You know, dq by dt is I. ठीक है, या d2i by dt square. This is wrong, this is completely wrong. d2i by dt square. All right, so we can write like this. I know that. Thank you, Ganesh, for notifying. So we can write dq by dt is equal to then here we can write dq by dt is equal to 1 by, or you can say that LC into d2i by dt square. Tell me what is dq by dt here. Now this is thoda sa tricky. Here the one who will be analytical enough, logical enough will give the answer. What is dq by dt? What is dq by dt? बोलो बच्चा लोग. Current or like plus I or minus I? Pratish is saying current at any time t. This dq by dt will be plus I or minus I? Vijay Gangadharya. Why minus I? Tell me bacha, why minus I? Why this will be minus I? Because देखो decrease in current नहीं है. Reason बहुत simple है. Because what is this q बच्चा? When you have considered this q, what is q here? What is q here? This is charge on the capacitor. As the time increases, what will happen initially? What will happen? This charge will decrease. So dq by dt will be negative, right? If I have to write the current, I have to write this as minus I. Got my point? क्यों लिखा मैंने minus I? dq by dt is equal to minus I as charge decreases with respect to time on capacitor. Clear है बच्चा लोग? तो क्या होगा? Initially charge was capital Q. Now the charge on the capacitor will decrease. So dq by dt will be negative. All right, I can't write negative part here. So to make it positive, I have multiplied minus here. Okay? So dq by dt will be equal to minus I. Guys, did you understand this part? Why minus I? Because charge on the capacitor will decrease. Now this will be equal to LC into d2i by dt square. Clear है? अच्छा. Can I write d2i by dt square can be written as 1 by LC or plus 1 by LC into I is equal to 0. Guys, do you find any resemblance of this equation from some equations that we have studied earlier? Do you find some kind of resemblance? Have you studied this kind of relation already? Yes, in SHM. Simple harmonic motion. Very good. In simple harmonic motion, instead of I, there was X. We have studied d2x by dt square plus some constant omega square into x is 0. Didn't we studied this? We have already studied this part, right? So can I say, if I'm going to solve this, we'll study the solution of this in differential equation. So I can say I can be written as, if I write this 1 by LC as omega square x, I can write d2i by dt square plus omega square into I is 0, where omega square is equal to 1 by LC. Okay? So I can write this here as current will be equal to I naught sine omega t plus some phase constant phi. Tell me guys, what is the phase constant phi here? So I'll say at t is equal to 0, the current is 0, hence phi is 0. At t is equal to 0, the current is 0, so phi is 0. Tell me guys, why did I write at t is equal to 0, current in this circuit is 0? Tell me the reason behind that. Come on guys. When you have connected the capacitor across the inductor, before connecting it, there was no current that was flowing through the inductor. Now once you connect it, there will be current that will try to flow through it. And this inductor will oppose that sudden change. So at t, very good Pridarshini, very good Adesh, so very good Ganesh. So what will happen? Sudden change will be opposed by the inductor. So at t is equal to 0, I will be 0, hence phi 0. Why? How? So 0 is equal to I naught into sine of 0 plus phi. So sine phi must be 0, so phi must be 0. So that is why I'll say phi 0. So I'll say finally I can be written as I naught into sine omega t. Now guys, tell me, didn't we get this current as a sinusoidal function? That the value of I, the value of current in this circuit will change periodically following the sine function. So can I say that, guys, current will oscillate here? Current will start from 0, go to maximum current, ठीक है, then go to what? Minimum current, then again come back to 0, then again like देखो ऐसा होगा 0 I naught, ठीक है, then again it will come to 0, then again it will come to ऐसा होगा part. If you draw this part here, if you draw the I versus T graph, it will look like this: 0 I naught 0 minus I naught 0. So this is how the value of I will change inside the circuit. All right. Acha, guys, tell me, what is omega here? When you write this equation, what is omega? What is the meaning of omega? Omega क्या होता है? The angular frequency, right? So this will tell you how the value of this omega will tell you how the value of I changes. ठीक है? So what is the frequency of this? If omega is very high, if omega is very large, that means if in a very short, in 1 second, the change will happen very fast. If omega is very high, very large, ऐसा हो जाएगा. If omega is very large, very small, then समझ में आ रहा है क्या? तो सर्किट कैसा? If omega is very small, then it will look like something this. If you increase the omega, this circuit will look like this, or the diagram will look like this. All right, because in very small time the change of value, the change of current is very high, right? So that is what you can reduce, or you can observe from this omega. So what is the value of omega, bacha? Omega is nothing but square root of, or 1 by square root of LC. So in LC oscillation, what is the angular frequency of change of current? Bolo bacha log, what is the angular frequency of change of current? So 1 divided by square root of LC. This is very, very important. In AC, you will understand, you learn the resonating frequency is also square root of 1 by LC. Similar kind of frequency will be there in AC also. थोड़ा सा उसमें मतलब याद करने के लिए मैं बता रहा हूँ. Anyway, अच्छा, current as a function of time is now known to us. What about charge as a function of time? Tell me, guys, if I ask you, find out charge as a function of time. बोलो बच्चों लोग, find out what is the charge as a function of time. What will be your answer? The question है, tell me the answer for this one. Multiply t. Okay. अच्छा, there is one more thing that I didn't find out, and you didn't ask me also. Guys, what is I naught? In this equation, what is I naught? Multiply t, Pranav. No. What will be the value of peak current? That is correct. I naught is the maximum current. That is exactly correct. This is completely correct. But what will be the value of maximum current? E naught by R. Do you have E naught here? Atharv, do you have E naught here? In this LC circuit, tell me what will be the value of I naught. 1. Why Gangadharya? Why 1? Q by C. Q by C is not having a dimension of current. Q by C is potential difference, Adesh. Which energy? Energy by R. Simple सी बात है, देखो, to find I naught. Let us find out I naught. Find out I naught. कैसे निकालते हैं, देख लो I naught. Can I say, sir, in this one, if energy, देखो, initially क्या होगा? This charge, the charge on this will what? Change from Q to 0, then minus Q, then plus Q. So charge here will come to 0 and then again come to plus Q. So can I say, when charge is coming here, when the current is flowing from here, what will happen to the energy in the capacitor? Bolo bachalo, when current will flow from here, will reach to this point, tell me what will happen to the current here, or the energy of the capacitor here. Tell me, guys. The energy of the capacitor will decrease. Now question is, where that energy will go? We have a inductor. So there will be decrease of energy in capacitor. So that decrease will be what? Nothing but because of storage of energy inside the inductor. When this capacitor will be completely discharged, when the capacitor will be completely discharged, now this inductor will give the same stored energy to resistor, to this capacitor, to again charge it. So क्या होगा? Energy will come from capacitor to inductor, then inductor will give back the energy to capacitor, and again the energy will be given to the inductor, inductor will give again the same energy to the capacitor. So energy will be given, like what will happen? Electrical energy to magnetic energy, magnetic energy to electrical energy, electrical energy to magnetic energy, magnetic energy to electrical energy. This is how the energy is going to get converted in every side. So can I say that initially what was the energy that was given to this circuit? बोलो चलो, सुन तो ले प्रणव, थप्पड़ मारूंगा अगली बार, बता रहा हूं मैं. You don't know me that. Don't be impatient. Try to be in limit. I'm not your jump start teacher, ठीक है? So try to be in your limit. So tell me guys, what is the energy that has been given to the capacitor? Initially charge on this is capital Q, the capacitance is C. Tell me what is the energy that has been given to the capacitor at t is equal to 0? What is the initial energy given? Q square by 2C. Very good, bacha. Very good, Pratish, Chirag, very good. So Q square by 2C is the energy given to this capacitor. Can I say when the maximum current will flow through the circuit? Initially current was 0. Now when the maximum current I0 will flow through the circuit through the inductor, what is the energy that will be stored in the inductor in this process? From 0 to I0, when current in the inductor, when current in the capacitor, inductor changes from 0 to I0, what is the energy that will be stored in the inductor? Half into L into I0 square. From where this energy has come? From the capacitor. What was the energy that capacitor was having as a whole? So Q square by 2C. So the full energy will be given to the inductor. So half Li0 square will be equal to Q square by 2C. So how will you find this I0? So I'll say energy given by the capacitor will be equal to energy stored in inductor. ठीक है, मैं किसकी बात कर रहा हूं? When current changes from changes from 0 to I0. So what is the energy given by the capacitor? Initially it has been given Q square by 2C. The same amount of energy can be given. It cannot give extra energy. So Q square by 2C will be equal to half into L into I0 square. Okay? So what is 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what is the value of I0 here? So I0 square is equal to Q square by LC. So I can say I0 is equal to Q divided by square root of LC. Tell me guys, what is the value of square root of LC? 1 by square root of LC. Tell me bachalo. What is the value of 1 by square root of LC? That is omega. So I can write this as Q into omega. So what is the value of I0? It's nothing but Q into omega. So what is the maximum current that will, what is the maximum current that will flow through the circuit? So maximum charge into angular frequency. This is the answer. So if at any time, if I ask you that what is the instantaneous current in the circuit, what are the things that you need to find? Because you have to write this as I is equal to I0 sine omega t. So what are the variables that you need to know? You should know what is I0, what is omega. That's it. How will you get the I0 value? So I0 is nothing but Q into omega. How will you know what is omega? Omega is nothing but 1 by square root of LC. How will you get square root of LC? So L will be given to you, C will be given to you. Find the 1 by square root of LC from here. Q is already given to you. Omega is already calculated. So you'll get the value of I0, you'll get the value of omega. Put it here. You'll get the value of instantaneous current at any time t. So guys, I think I have taken 5 extra minutes of yours. So I think we should stop our class here only. Thank you guys. Thank you for being responsive today, and thank you for attending class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy learning guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. Enjoy, Mari.